Welcome back to another video. Today, Friday, we got a huge free event from Harbor Freight. Email. Don't forget to smash the like button. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more 2 reviews, 2 deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got Harbor Freight here at the top. It says huge free event, 3 days only, Friday, October 4th through Sunday, October 6th. Get coupons below. So feel free to take any screenshot or any picture of these on the computer or on the phone and show these coupons at the cashier at the Harbor Freight. You got a 20% off coupon here. It's just your standard coupon. It's a super coupon valid through Sunday, October 6th, 2019. It says 63, 98, 94, 31. Next coupons we have some free coupons here. Pretty much we got 1 by 25 feet quick find tape measure. I can't have enough of these tape measures. I got one in each vehicle. I got one inside the house, one in the kitchen, one in my studio here with the YouTube studio. I got another one in the shop outside. I pretty much got them everywhere around my house. And these things are just so, useful and good. They're not the highest quality, but they do work and they do measure. They do perform quite as well. I even use them for my outside projects when I'm doing like woodworking and stuff like that. I just carry them. And if I leave them outside, I leave them outside. Don't really care. But they are free. Definitely recommend you guys get these. These are great. You guys could get 3 because you guys could go Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So any of these 3 items you could get for free. You can only get 1. You cannot not get any more than 1 per day. So just keep that in mind. It says limit 1 valid through 10/6/2019. Next time we got a free 5x7 tarp. Yeah, these things are great too. I use them to cover my equipment outside, my grill or whatever you have outside. I use them to cover that up. And if they break, if the sun gets them, you can just replace it with another one. They are free. You got the microfiber cleaning cloths, pack of 4. These things are great. They're not the best thing. They're not the best ever, but they're not big. They're the smaller kind. So if they are too small for you, you can always grab 2 at a time. But one should be fine. If you want to just clean your windows in your vehicle or clean at home, definitely worth these. These are free. These free items. You got the Rapid Pump 3-ton steel heavy duty steel floor jack, $89.99. That is a great jack right there. It is the upgraded version. This is the Series 2. $89.99 is a great price there. Yeah, every time I work outside, I do projects, woodworking, even clean up at the yard. I always wear these gloves, latex coated work gloves. These are a little bit thicker here on the yellow part. So definitely a nice pair of gloves. $149.99 for that. Full motion TV wall mounts, $39.99. I use it as this. I have one of these. Use it for my projects. I will be doing some baseboards. I haven't had time to finish up my remodel at home, but we'll be doing that. Hopefully I can record some videos and let you guys see how that works for you guys, or how that works. I have used this before on smaller projects, and it does work pretty good. No problems whatsoever. You got the 4-piece anti-fatigue full mat set, $6.99. You got 11-inch cable ties, $1.99. Got the new 30-inch 4-drawer tech carts, $139.99. Yeah, these are fairly new to Harbor Freight. Well, not the black one we always had it, but yeah, you can get it in all the colors now. 4-piece funnel sets, 79 cents. 3/8 variable speed reversible drill, $11.99. 4-channel wireless surveillance systems with 2 cameras, $219.99. Automatic battery floater charger, $4.99. 36-inch pickup reaching tool. Yeah, this used to be free. I haven't seen this free anymore. Let's see here. I'm just gonna go over the items that catch my eye, catch my attention. This is a nice little winch, a 12,000-pound truck SUV winch, $299.99. Definitely a great price. This is a great deal too. 6-ton heavy-duty steel jack stands, $34.99. I do have this. Works real good. I gotta say I've done a lot of projects with this. I did my workbench. I did my rack. I just done a lot of things with this. 10-inch sliding compound miter saw, $99.99. You got the 7-inch variable speed polisher sander, $29.99. You got the 1500-watt dual temperature heat gun, under $10. I do have that. I do have the review on my channel. So just put a 1500-watt dual temperature heat gun, tool head 147 in the search section of YouTube. 20-volt lithium cordless half-an-inch compact hammer drill, $64.99. These are great if you're going to be using them for wood or plastic or light metal use. These are great. 2000-watt super quiet inverter generator, $449.99. This is cleaner energy, so this will definitely cleaner and quieter. Yeah, haven't used any of those. 13-piece half-an-inch drive impact socket set. Definitely a great item. Definitely recommend it for you guys, even for you professionals out there or DIYs. Definitely a set like that, $19.99. There's a great flashlight here. 588 luminous tactical flashlight, under $10. This is definitely a real bright light. Recommend it for you guys. Bauer just released a new vacuum. It's not this one, obviously. This is probably the older model. But look out for the new one too, if you need a vacuum. Alkaline batteries, definitely. These are okay. I would definitely recommend the blue ones for you guys. The yellow ones usually are free. Wouldn't recommend the yellow ones. Just to let you know, they do leak, by the way. These compressors are good for painting or for nail for a nailer, for a framing nailer or a broad nailer. $44.99. You can't go wrong with that. You got the 3/8 by 50 feet retractable air hose reel, $59.99. Looks like that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and have a great weekend. Thank you.